pretty cool. Nope, Wi-Fi. Yep, starting next springs. Let's get her going.
Cross the road, then drop down into the canyon.
Jumping off the trail just to get our first look in the canyon here.
Drop us into the canyon, and I'm betting the cabin must be somewhere down there. And then we gotta hop back up, and then it's gonna spit us out. And we actually cross the road somewhere south.
Yeah.
Here, and then we walk back up on the other side. It's kind of neat.
So now that Mac's done giving his information, the pointing he did out, that is the logo of Hike Moab on the truck. Just so everybody knows. Bat still flying around. Made it down, about halfway down in the canyon it looks like. It's a well-established trail, no doubt about that. A lot of winding back and forth beneath the canyon rims here. The great thing about hiking down into the canyons and canyonlands is you got to actually see the erosion that's been happening. You can tell how maybe 50,000 years ago, where we were at by the rubble laying down, that was the canyon wall. Okay, so some more relics. Another horse trough. This is a serious wash, man. Yeah. You can see the erosion. So my main impression of this trail so far is that you don't drop directly into the canyon as much as you're kind of going up and down the canyon rim. That could change very shortly though. No, we're getting pretty close to the cabin at this point. Not really seeing any well-defined trails over there, so it's almost gotta be jumps us out of here. Something you don't see on very many southeastern routes have missiles. I think we're supposed to walk up there.
You know, I'll bet you maybe we have another canyon to drop into.
Yeah, probably so. Coming up from a big climb. We're betting that the cabin, or the remnants of it, are either down there, because there's cottonwoods, there's obviously a big water source there, lots of seeps up there, or we're about to drop down into another canyon. Me, well, about ready, but that's a hell. So what we're going to do now, go on to here, we can see some artifacts over there from but the road is just right here. We are having our summit deers, going back over, kind of kicking ourselves because we don't want to hike back down to the canyon. Going to come back later, do a little more recon before our professional hike, where we're actually showing folks where to go. But yeah, it's led right down there, so you drop down. I can see the parking lot straight ahead there. But you come down, so right over that. I know we can't zoom in on the GoPro as much, but that is the canyon in the spring there. It led us up this hill and back around. Great hike. Take your time, explore once you're down in the bottom. That's going to be the name of the game. You can see some other light trails that lead around further. It's a little bit too hot this time of year. Once we get into October, probably carry on and explore more. Definitely a good way to spend the morning, without a doubt. Really doesn't look that old. Nice and clean. Oh yeah, there's some sort of structure down there too. This is the end, overlooking Schaefer.